Good morning, everybody. This is April, and I am the Wolf Ranch Girl. So today we are going to be going through and doing a quick video on the November spread for my Erin Condren Life Planner. So the last video that I posted was actually the weeklies because the sticker kit that I ordered for the monthly spread hadn't come in yet. And I'm kind of talking low because it is Saturday morning. I've got two kiddos sleeping, and then my husband and our older kiddo had to go and do some chores on the ranch. So I thought this would be a good time to get this in. It is Halloween today, so we have a party planned. We're not going trick-or-treating this year, but we do have a small party planned with some activities for our kids to keep it fun. So I just wanted to take some time this morning and do this spread with you guys. So let's get started. Welcome to my November plan with me, and I'm trying something a little bit new today. I'm actually using my cell phone as the video camera, and we're going to see how this is going to work. My other setup is fine, but it's a little bit cumbersome. It's a very large camera, and there's a lot of steps, so I'm just trying to see if this is going to work as well as the other setup. So anyway, this is the November spread of my Erin Condren Life Planner. If you've never been to my channel before, I am a huge Erin Condren fan, and here is the new cover for November. So November is Harry Potter movie anniversary month, and I always do a Harry Potter cover. This is a custom cover that I created myself and then printed with the custom setup at the Erin Condren website. So there's the front, and here's the back. All right. So I am actually using a new sticker shop, new to me anyway. It's the You Gotta Plan That on Etsy. I got the Luna monthly notes page and planner stickers, and I can already tell you guys that these are not the right sizes for Erin Condren. What I have done is I had, when I was looking at this last night, I had some of this washi left. So I did line the top border of the calendar page with that washi, and then I had some foiled washi that I actually just got. I think I just got it. I'm fairly certain that I just got this at like the Dollar Tree. It was like a cute little 4-pack or something that I got. So I put that on the bottom because the colors kind of matched. There are also no date covers, but I did happen to put in a multiple sticker order from a couple of other sticker places, and she sent me some freebies, which look at how cute those are. And these are from, no, maybe that was You Gotta Plan That. Well, it was You Gotta Plan That. So she sent me all of these freebies in here, so I'm gonna have to use some of the date covers from here to that's cute, isn't it, that little thing, to finish this up. So it's nice that they include extras. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So this is the finished spread, and I'm pretty happy with it. I had to make some adjustments here, but I think maybe I mistakenly ordered the incorrect planner style, but I'm going to go back and check. So here is the original sticker kit. So it's called the Luna Monthly and Notes. So it had the November with the little dovetail up on the side here, and then it had an additional washi which I put on this side, and you can see that they are very different sizes, so that's why I'm thinking that maybe this was for a different planner. And then also the notes section for an Erin Condren is pretty thin, and I have it listed here under the Grateful, and these notes areas are pretty big, so I'm thinking that there was a mix-up of some kind there, but no big deal, because she did send a bunch of extras. So these cute little coffee stickers. These are headers with date covers, and I just didn't use the date covers and then went ahead and, or I just didn't use the headers for the dates, and I went ahead and used these for the date covers out of this little extra that she sent. And then I actually cut out that Grateful. It wasn't meant to be a sticker, but I put it over the notes since it is Thanksgiving this month. And then this I'll put away for next year. So there's some more date covers, these cute little road trips. I love Harry Potter, and this is a Harry Potter miss, which I'm going to have to go and look at because I may have to order that for next year. And then this cute little Mickey thing with different Hocus Pocus type stickers on it. And then also this Fall Comforts Weekend header, which is super cute. So quite a few extras from You Gotta Plan That. So this is her little information there, and the stickers were really nice quality. I just think that maybe they're not the right size for mine. So it worked out though, because I had that washi at the top, and then I have this pink washi down at the bottom, and it worked out really well. So I'm happy with how things turned out. So now I have a fully Harry Potter-fied month of November. And so here is the November spread. And then I'll go ahead and run through the weeklies. And let me put my month divider in, which is also from Harry Potter. Well, it's not from Harry Potter, but it is Harry Potter themed. And then we can go ahead. I will be adding my budget. This is the dashboard and notes pages. So this is a Jump to It Designs sticker kit, excuse me, from last year, and I had a thick piece of washi that I just cut and put at the top and bottom, and I will print out my November budget and put it here. And then over in the notes section over here, I usually put any kind of routines, anything that we're working on with the debt snowball, which I hope to be paying off a medical bill this coming week, so that'll be exciting. And then I usually add in any kind of video ideas that I might have, and I do believe I have, yeah, so I have a sticker. I'm a big Post-it note fan, if you didn't notice. And then I usually list my favorite things down here, which is the next video to come. So then this is the week that we are just ending, because today is Halloween, and I will be probably posting this video later on today. And then here is my first Harry Potter month, or Harry Potter week. This is the week of the 2nd. And this is, all of these are from Lux Kitty on Etsy, Lux Kitty Designs on Etsy. And they turned out so good. So I'm super happy that I have an entire month filled with Harry Potter style stickers. And I am also very happy that my month My monthly is matching with the last weekly, so this is kind of Luna-esque as well, and then the monthly is Luna-esque as well. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Okay, so that is the November monthly, and it was a little awkward this time because the planner kit was maybe not the right planner kit for my planner, but that's okay. One of the fun things that I like about planning is that you get to customize everything to the way that you like it, and you're not stuck just putting stickers, where someone tells you to put them. So I'm really happy with how everything turned out. I will recommend this sticker company. You Gotta Plan That is, I don't know if you guys can see it. You Gotta Plan That. I will put all of the contact information or the Etsy shop name down in the description of this video. The stickers were really great quality. They're easy to write on. They were cut very well. I just think it wasn't the right stickers for my planner, which is totally fine. So I'm really happy with how things turned out, and I'm happy that I had that additional washi to be able to use. And she sent so many extra freebies that I really didn't even have to look in my other sticker stash to find anything. So that was really good. So I'm excited for my November calendar spread and all of the different weeks that have Harry Potter in them. So if you guys are not Harry Potter fans, what are you a fan of? Do you love coffee? Do you love Disney? Do you love shopping type stuff or boss babe type stuff? What is it that you guys like? So put your answer down in the comments of the video. And if you like this video, go and check out some of my other videos that I'll have linked at the end of this video. And then if you like the content that you've seen, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my content, you can subscribe. And if you want to get notified whenever I post something new, you can click on the notifications button. So thank you guys so much for joining me. And now I'm going to have to go and cook some breakfast because I'm going to have some hungry boys coming back from the ranch. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.